brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hi everybody, and thanks for watching. This is George here with Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety lighting and equipment. We've got a very nice 2019 classic Ram. This is the last of the old body Ram, and it's in jet black, one of my favorite styles. On the front of this, we have our new Thin-X TIR light in amber. We've mounted it on a plastic shroud that's behind the grille per the customer's request. They wanted to have some behind the grille amber on this particular truck. We have it on a quick alternating pattern on all the light heads just to get a lot of movement without any of these 4 lights going totally dark. You can see here also we've got some amber out back. We're running 2 of our LED HAW duos. They are the HD version in amber. There's a good shot of the front there. Out back, as you can see, the dome light and the third brake light is still on. We did retain our factory light there, as well as added the LED HAW duo. We went with a fast double flash X pattern on this particular build. And as you can see now, the dome light is off. We didn't affect the reverse lights either. Pretty standard X pattern in amber on this particular truck. We went with our popular 3/4 switch right here under the headlight switch. Nice easy location to get your power wired to. You can remove that panel directly underneath it and mount your switch right there. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure you stay tuned for links in the description to all of these products, as well as a package containing all the material you will need to do this exact job. Be sure to subscribe and share this on your social media, and remember, be seen and be safe with Wicked Warnings.